Welcome to our latest episode in the Financial Planning in Uncertain Times series. If you've ever felt anxious about your financial future or unsure how to weather the storm of economic uncertainty, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a powerful topic: how to build a resilient financial plan that works for you, no matter what challenges come your way. In times of market ups and downs, job uncertainties, and shifting priorities, having a financial plan isn't just nice to have, it's essential. But here's the truth: one-size-fits-all solutions don't work. You need a customized strategy that's built around your own life, your goals, and your circumstances. In this video, we'll show you how to assess your current situation, set meaningful financial goals, and put together a plan that not only protects you in emergencies but also gives you the power to grow and thrive. We'll talk about how to make your finances resilient, strong enough to withstand the unexpected and flexible enough to adapt to whatever comes next. So grab a notebook, sit back, and let's get started on building the financial confidence you need to navigate whatever life throws your way. This journey is about empowering yourself, and by the end, you'll have the tools you need to take charge of your future, step by step. Developing a customized financial plan based on individual circumstances. Introduction. Creating a financial plan tailored to individual circumstances is a crucial step towards securing financial stability and achieving long-term goals. In uncertain times, such as economic downturns or market volatility, it becomes even more important to have a well-thought-out plan in place. This section will outline the key steps and considerations involved in developing a customized financial plan that aligns with individual goals, risk tolerance, and financial situation. Assessing current financial situation. The first step in creating a customized financial plan is to assess the individual's current financial situation. This includes analyzing income sources, expenses, assets, liabilities, and existing investments. By understanding these factors, one can gain a clear picture of their financial standing and identify areas for improvement or adjustment. Setting financial goals. Once the current financial situation is assessed, the next step is to establish clear financial goals. These goals can vary from short-term objectives such as building an emergency fund to long-term goals like retirement planning or purchasing a home. Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART, goals is essential to provide direction and motivation for the financial plan. Determining risk tolerance. Risk tolerance plays a significant role in shaping an individual's financial plan. Some people are comfortable with taking on higher levels of risk in pursuit of potentially higher returns, while others prefer a more conservative approach. Understanding one's risk tolerance is crucial in determining the appropriate asset allocation and investment strategy that aligns with their comfort level. Creating an asset allocation strategy. Based on the individual's financial goals and risk tolerance, a customized asset allocation strategy should be developed. This involves determining the optimal mix of assets such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and cash that best suits the individual's objectives and risk profile. Diversification across different asset classes can help mitigate risk and enhance overall portfolio performance. Implementing investment strategies. Once the asset allocation is determined, the next step is to implement investment strategies that align with the plan. This may involve selecting specific investments, such as mutual funds, ETFs, individual stocks, or bonds, based on factors like investment horizon, risk tolerance, and return expectations. Regular monitoring and periodic rebalancing of the portfolio are essential to ensure alignment with the financial plan. Reviewing and adjusting the plan. Financial planning is an ongoing process that requires regular review and adjustments. Changes in personal circumstances, market conditions, or economic factors may necessitate modifications to the financial plan. Periodic reviews, at least annually, can help ensure that the plan remains relevant and effective in helping the individual achieve their financial goals. Developing a customized financial plan. Developing a customized financial plan based on individual circumstances is an essential component of financial planning, especially in uncertain times. By assessing current financial situation, setting clear goals, determining risk tolerance, creating an asset allocation strategy, implementing investment strategies, and regularly reviewing the plan, individuals can navigate uncertainties and work towards financial security and prosperity. A well-crafted financial plan provides a roadmap for achieving financial objectives and adapting to changing circumstances, ultimately empowering individuals to take control of their financial future. Setting realistic short-term and long-term financial goals. Setting realistic short-term and long-term financial goals is a crucial aspect of effective financial planning, especially in uncertain times. By clearly defining your objectives, you can create a roadmap to achieve financial stability and success. This section of the video series Financial Planning in Uncertain Times delves into the importance of setting achievable goals and provides practical tips on how to do so. Importance of setting realistic financial goals. Setting financial goals helps you give purpose and direction to your financial decisions. In uncertain times, having well-defined goals can provide a sense of control and security amidst economic instability. Realistic goals act as a motivator, keeping you focused on your financial well-being and guiding your actions towards financial success. Short-term financial goals. Short-term financial goals typically cover a period of 1 year or less. These goals are essential for meeting immediate financial needs and addressing any urgent financial concerns. Examples of short-term financial goals may include building an emergency fund, paying off high-interest debt, or saving for a specific upcoming expense like a vacation or home renovation. When setting short-term goals, it is vital to be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. This ensures that your goals are clear and attainable within a short time frame. Long-term financial goals. Long-term financial goals extend beyond 1 year and are focused on achieving significant milestones over an extended period. Examples of long-term financial goals include saving for retirement, purchasing a home, funding your children's education, or starting a business. Long-term goals require careful planning and consistency to achieve, often involving multiple short-term steps along the way. When setting long-term financial goals, it's important to consider factors such as inflation, investment returns, and changing economic conditions to ensure your goals remain relevant and achievable over time. Strategies for setting realistic goals. 1. Assess your current financial situation. Before setting goals, it's essential to evaluate your current financial position, including income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Understanding where you stand financially can help you set realistic and achievable goals. 2. Prioritize your goals. Identify your most pressing financial needs and prioritize them based on their importance and urgency. This can help you focus your efforts and resources on the goals that matter most to you. 3. Be specific and quantifiable. Clearly define your financial goals in terms of specific amounts, timelines, and actions required. For example, instead of saying save for retirement, specify a target amount and time frame for reaching that goal. 4. Break down goals into manageable steps. Complex long-term goals can be overwhelming, so break them down into smaller, more manageable steps or milestones. This can make your goals feel more achievable and keep you motivated along the way. Summary. By setting realistic short-term and long-term financial goals, you can take control of your financial future and navigate uncertain times with confidence. Remember to regularly review and adjust your goals as needed to stay on track and adapt to changing circumstances. Effective goal setting is a cornerstone of sound financial planning, helping you build a solid foundation for financial stability and success. Creating emergency funds and contingency plans for unexpected events. Creating emergency funds and contingency plans for unexpected events is a crucial aspect of financial planning, especially in uncertain times. In this section, we will discuss the importance of having emergency funds, how to build them, and the key components of contingency plans. 1. Importance of emergency funds. Emergency funds act as a safety net during unexpected events such as job loss, medical emergencies, or natural disasters. Having a designated fund helps you avoid dipping into your savings or going into debt when faced with sudden financial challenges. It provides peace of mind knowing that you have a cushion to fall back on in times of crisis. 2. Building emergency funds. Determine the ideal size of your emergency fund based on your monthly expenses and financial obligations. A common recommendation is to have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up. Start by setting aside a small portion of your income each month towards building your emergency fund. Automating this process through direct deposits or standing instructions can help you stay consistent. Consider keeping your emergency fund in a separate account, such as a high-yield savings account, to prevent easy access for non-emergencies. Revisit and adjust the size of your emergency fund periodically based on changes in your financial situation or living expenses. 3. Contingency plans for unexpected events. Identify potential risks and uncertainties that could impact your financial stability, such as job loss, illness, or market volatility. Develop a contingency plan outlining steps to mitigate the impact of these events. This may include strategies like cutting down on non-essential expenses, exploring alternative income sources, or reviewing insurance coverage. Regularly review and update your contingency plan to ensure it remains relevant and effective in addressing current financial challenges. Creating emergency funds and contingency plans is an essential part of financial planning in uncertain times. By proactively preparing for unexpected events, you can better safeguard your financial well-being and navigate through turbulent periods with greater resilience. As we wrap up today's video, remember that building a resilient financial plan is not just about surviving uncertain times, it's about thriving through them. By assessing your current financial situation, setting realistic goals, and creating a strategy tailored to your unique needs, you're laying the foundation for long-term security and success. It's easy to feel overwhelmed when the world seems unpredictable, but by taking control of your finances, you're taking control of your future. The steps you take today, whether it's building an emergency fund, diversifying your investments, or simply staying informed, are powerful actions that will help you face any challenge with confidence. Your financial journey is personal, and it's ongoing. Be patient with yourself, stay flexible, and continue to adjust as life unfolds. The key is consistency and commitment. You've got this. Thank you for joining me in this important conversation. If you found value in this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with anyone who could benefit from it. Together, we can navigate these uncertain times and come out stronger on the other side. Stay positive, stay proactive, and remember, you are in control of your financial future. See you in the next video.